Hi, congratulations on your purchase of your electric cycle and welcome to Nexo Mobility. I'm Joel George and today we'll be talking about the assembly and the unboxing of your all new electric cycle from Nexo Mobility. We will begin with the process of unstrapping the box and proceed to safely lift the cycle out of the box and place it in an area where you can work on the assembly process. Now that you have picked the bicycle out of the box, you will see that the cycle is already in a full state of assembly. There are a few things and a few elements that need to be added on before you are ready to ride it. So I will give you a quick explanation on what is available within the box that we have just opened up. There is a charger box which is in the package. You also have a toolkit and an owner's manual box which is clearly marked out. And then finally you have the pedal box. There isn't a lot of assembly required per se when you receive one of these packages. Just a few items that you need to put on, charge the vehicle, and then you are good to go. First, we begin with the cutting off the cable ties very carefully, preferably using a cutter, and start with the handlebar. Be cautious not to scratch the metal parts while you're unpacking the cycle. And that's about it. You have pretty much done away with the secondary layer of packaging as well. Now we will begin to unbox the packages which are provided within the main box, and the first one I'll be working with is the pedal box. You'll find that the box contains two pedals, both for the left and right side of the cycle. The next box is the toolkit and the owner's manual box. This is a box that contains all the necessary tools for you to successfully assemble the cycle. Also included is the owner's manual and warranty card, which is part of your purchase as well. We will then proceed to open the charger box. This is a very user-friendly and easy to use charger that can be carried along in a backpack if you're going on for a longer ride. As you proceed, you must have noticed that the handlebar is placed at a 180-degree angle, and you obviously need to put that into a 90-degree angle. You will start by using a number 5 Allen key, and you start by loosening up the clamp. And you will begin by loosening up the clamp and then move on to place the tires between your legs and then slowly proceed to turn the handle to align with the front wheel. Once you're satisfied with this placement of the handle, please proceed to tighten the clamp around the handle once again. There are 4 more lugs at the top of the handle which need to be tightened as well. Once you've completed with the handlebar assembly, we will now move on to the pedals. A quick reference point. The L that is present on the top of the pedal represents the left side of the cycle, and the R represents the right hand side of the cycle. You will proceed to install the pedals on the cranks, and you can use the multi-tool provided to secure the pedals onto the cranks. The charger obviously is a very lightweight charger. You can plug it into any standard outlet at home or office. Full charge takes about 2.5 to 3 hours and consumes less than half a unit of electricity. To charge the cycle, proceed to plug in the charger to the point that is provided on the cycle, and finally, once the connections are secured, the plug can go into any domestic outlet that you can use as mentioned again at the home or at the office. A few more instructions before you begin your Nexo experience. On the right hand side is the throttle controller that you can use to modulate the speed of your cycle. I also want to quickly talk about the LED control panel. You will notice an on and off button. Upon switching on the button, you will notice 4 LED headlamps that light up indicating the battery status. The other function I want to highlight is the mode function. You have 3 modes or 3 levels of assistance that you can use. Primarily, they are low, mid and high, which will determine the level of assistance you get from the motor, which is placed in the rear wheel. On low mode, the assist from the motor is at its least. On the mid mode, the assistance is a lot better. And finally, on the high mode, the motor is fully engaged to assist you on your journey. For your convenience, we have also provided your electric cycle with a walk mode, which is marked as a 6 kmph button on the LED control panel. Upon engaging this button, the cycle is activated as a walking companion with zero efforts from your side. We also want to talk about the red and green buttons that are provided on the handlebar, which are primarily the LED headlamp, which is a great safety feature and useful for night commuters or early morning riders. And the green button is an electronic horn to alert pedestrians on the road.